Good morning, students. So in the previous video we have discussed about the different formulas for compound interest. Okay, so when the interest is compounded annually, okay, and rates for different years. So today we will solve exercise 2b. Fine. So all of you please open page number 30. Page 30. All of you open this, okay, and read the first question. So our first question, calculate the amount and the compound interest. The question is calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 2 years and 8% per annum compounded annually. So how to solve this type of question? So we need to calculate the amount and the compound interest. So our principal is given. So given principal is 10,000 and time is our 2 years and rate percent is our 8% per annum. So what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the amount and compound interest. Okay, so we need to calculate both this. So what was the formula of amount? So we can write amount A equals to, what was the formula? So it was P1 plus R by 100 power n, where n is the number of years, or we can write n also, or n is this one. Okay, so solving this, P is 10,000, 1 plus R is our 8 by 100 power n, and number of years is 2. Okay, so how to solve this? This will be 10,000 into, if you take the LCM, this will be your 100 plus 8 by 100 whole square. That means 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Why I have written 108 by 100 two times? Because square is there. Okay, so two zeros cancel out, this two zeros, these two zeros cancel out. So just we need to multiply 108 into 108. So if we multiply 108 and 108, this will be 108 11664. So this is our amount. Okay, so now what will be the formula for compound interest? This is our amount minus principal. So let us solve this here also. So therefore A is our rupees 11,664 and compound interest will be, the formula is amount minus principal. So amount is 11,664 minus principal is 10,000. So if we subtract this, we will get 1,664 rupees. So this is the principal. Easy. So just you need to solve it. The questions are very easy. Fine. So let us do question number 2. Question number 2. If you read the question number 2, what it is given? Calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 64,000 for 3 years at a rate of 7.5%. So question is same, exactly same, but the figures are different. So principal is 64,000. Then our number of years is 3 years. Then rate percent is our 7 by 2%. 7 by 2 means, if you convert it into fraction, this will be 7 to the 14, 14 plus 1, 15. That means 15 by 2%. So what will be the formula for amount? P1 plus R by 100 power n. So this will be, principal is 64,000. 1 plus R by 100. R by 100 means 15 by 2 into 100 whole square. Fine. So this will be 64,000. Then this will be 200 plus 15 divided by 200 whole square. So this can be written as 64,000 into 215 by 200 into 215 by 200. So this 20 cancel outs, this 0 and this 0 cancel outs. So this will be 2 1 2 3 6 2 2 4, again 2 10 20, then 2 1 2 16 this 2 5 10 and 2 8 16. So if we cancel out by 5, 5 4 20, 5 3 15. So we need to multiply which three numbers? Now our amount will be 8 into 215 into 43. So if we multiply 8 215 into 43, we will get 73,960. Okay, so therefore what will be compound interest? formula is amount minus principal. That means amount is our 73960 minus principal was 64,000. So if we subtract this, this will be our 9,960. So this is the required compound interest. Easy. So if you read the third question, what is the third question? Question number 3. How much will 12,000 amount to in 2 years at compound interest? The rate of interest for the successive year being 10% and 11%. So how much will 12,000 amount? That means we need to calculate the amount. So our principal is 12,000. Okay, and number of years is 2 years. Okay, at compound interest, and the rate of interest in the successive year, that means our for successive year, that means for the first year rate of interest will be 10%. For the second year our rate of is 11%. So we need to calculate the amount. So we have discussed this formula. If we have different rates for different year, then what is the formula for this? So we know our R, it is given by P 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100, like this. Okay, so for R3 we need to again multiply by R3, and for if you have 4 successive years, then you have to again add another factor. Fine. So just putting this value, we know that R, this is A. So what is P? P is our 12,000. 1 plus R1, R1 is 10, 10 by 100. 1 plus R2, R2 is 11 by 100. So that means 12,000 into, if you take the LCM and add with 10, this will be 110 by 100 into 111 by 100. So this 2 0 cancel out, this 1 0, this 1 0 cancel out, this 0, this 0 cancel out. Fine. So what is the answer? 12 into 11 into 111. So if we multiply all this, 12 into 11 into 111, answer will be 14652. So this is the required amount. Clear? Okay, let's move to question number 4. So question is, calculate the amount and the compound interest on rupees 25,000 for 3 year. The rate of interest for the successive year is given. So that means again we have to calculate the amount and compound interest. Okay, so what are given? Principal is given 25,000, then number of years is 3, and rate for the first year is 8%, rate for the second year is our 9%, and rate for the third year is our 10%, compounded annually. So we need to calculate the amount. So what will be the formula for amount for 3 successive rates? So this will be P 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 and 1 plus R3 by 100. This is the formula similar to the previous one, question number 3, just I have done in the previous slide. Okay, so you try to solve this. After finding the amount, then you can proceed to find compound interest. That will be amount minus principal. Okay, so you take this as homework. Question number 5, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees. So our in question number 5 also, principal is given, then number of years is given, 2 year 8 months. Okay, 2 years 8 months, and rate of interest is 10% per annum, compounded annually. That means we need to calculate amount as well as compound interest. So again we have to get back to the formula. So case 3 in page number 25, you can see when a period is not a complete number of year. Here also our period is not a complete number of year, that is 2 year 8 months. So for this, what will be the formula for amount? So for amount, so our formula is 1 plus R by 100 power 2 into 1 plus 8 months. 8 months means 8 R by 12 divided by 100. So this will be the formula. For 4 months, this will be 4 R by 12. For 3 months, 3 R by 12, like this. Clear? So we need to solve this. So principal is our 7,500. 1 plus R. R will be your 2. That 2. Okay. Or not 2. 10. 10 by 100 whole square plus, not plus, sorry. This will be into 1 plus 8R. So we can cancel this. I think 8 into 10 by 12 into 100. Okay, so if we solve this in the next page, so our amount is 7500 into 1 plus r by 100, again 1 plus 8 into 10 by 12 into 100. Fine. So just solve this one. How to solve? 7500 into, this will be your 110 by 100 into, so this will be 1200. 12 into 100, this will be 1200 plus 80. So this will be 1280 divided by 1200. So this 20 cancel outs, this 0 cancel outs, and this 0 and this 0 cancel outs. So can we cancel this? Yeah. So this will be 2 6 are 12, then 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. So and 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 3. So 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. So ultimately 15 into 11 into 32. So 15 into 11 into 32. This will be 5280. So this is the amount. And for compound interest, the formula is amount minus principal. So amount is 5280 minus, what was the principal? Have you done any mistake? 8r by 12. Wait. Okay. In the formula, whole square was there. I have not put, yeah, I have put the whole square, but I have not calculated here. So that means 1 square sign is there. So square means again we have to write 110 by 100 like this. This one. That means into 11 divided by 10. So we have to multiply the answer by 11 divided by 10. So this will be 5808. Okay. So some mistake is there in the calculation. So I have calculated this. So our answer is 9680. It should be 9680. So you can verify on your own also. 9680. So what will be the amount? Compound interest. This will be our 9680 minus principal. Principal was our 7500. So 9680 minus 7500. This will be our 2180. Clear how I have done? So let us move to question number 6. So if you read the question, if the simple interest on the sum of money for 3 years at 10% per annum is this one. So our simple interest is given. Simple interest is 7500. Rate of interest is 8% per annum and number of years is 3 years. Then find the compound interest on the same sum for the period, for the same period and the same rate. That means we need to calculate compound interest. So how, if simple interest is given, how we can calculate the compound interest? Any idea? Yeah, we have the formula. What was the formula? We know in the previous section, we know the simple interest is P into R into T divided by 100. So from this we can calculate. We don't have principal, so first we need to calculate the principal. Okay, so what will be the formula for principal? So therefore principal will be I think principal will be your 100 is getting divided, so if you change the side this will get multiply, and R and T are getting multiplied, so they will get in divide. So this will be the formula. So what is the simple interest? Simple interest is 7500 into 100 divided by rate. Rate is 8% and time, that is the number of year, that is 3. Okay, so this will be your 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, 00. Then 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 0. Then we have 2 to the 4 and 225 and 21250. So if we multiply, that means if we multiply 1250 into 25, 1250 into 25, so this will be our 31250. So after calculating the compound interest, now so not now, yeah, now principal is our 31250. So rate of interest is 8% per annum and number of year is 3. Now we can easily calculate the compound interest. What will be the compound interest? Principal minus amount. So amount is not given. So first you find amount. So what will be the formula for amount? P plus 1 by 100 whole power n. So if you solve this, principal is 31250 into 1 plus r by 100. R is 8. So that will be 108 by 100 and whole power 3. 3 means we have to multiply 108 by 100 3 times. Okay. So if you solve this, 31250, you can verify the calculation. Okay, you will get the answer. So answer is 39366. So this is our amount. Now we can easily calculate the compound interest. So therefore compound interest will be amount minus principal. So what was the amount? 39,366. And what was the principal? Principal was our 31250. 31250. So minus 31250. So answer will be our 8,160. So in this way we can solve it. Okay. So after question number 6, you try to solve the question 3 more question. Okay, and send me. And if you find any difficulty, then contact me. Okay. Thank you.